Cebu Safari and Adventure Park proudly presents the Bird Show! Introducing our host for today, Miss Anne.
So good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Did you see our group of pigeons? Did you know that pigeons were used as a messenger to carry out message to our friends, families, and loved ones? Now, ladies and gentlemen, relax and enjoy as our fan feather friends are going to show us amazing tricks, awesome stunts, guest participations, and important environmental message. Now, are you ready to be amazed with our fan feather friends?
Yes!
Okay, now to start with, let me call my party here on stage, Mr. Ian, to welcome our blue and gold local named Amigo. Everybody. Now, Amigo originated from South America and he inhabited in the rainforest of Brazil. And by the way, Amigo is a responsible bird. He loves to see his environment clean. Now, we have here sample trashes. And let's see what Amigo will do. Come on, buddy. So you pick up the beer can, walk all the way. What's the next thing you will do? Open it. And drop it inside. Good. Great. For the second one. Come on, choose. You pick up the Coca-Cola can, walk all the way, open the bin, and drop it inside. Nice one. And for the last one, you pick up the plastic cup, walk all the way, open the bin again, and drop it inside. Now see if the birds can do, why can't we, right? So always put your trash in the trash bins because cleanliness is next to godliness. Now everyone, Amigo together with his fine feathered friends has something to tell us. What are you listening to them, buddy? So welcome to Cebu Safari Bird Show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, now here comes our flying macaws. So here's our team, blue macaws named Kyle and Carl. And wait, there's a flight on the stage, buddies. So we have a total of 6 blue and gold macaws named Hardy, Tony, Kyle, and Carl, and one green-winged macaw named Ringo. So macaws are very adapted whatever environment they are in. It becomes quiet normal for them. So if they were surrounded with many people, they will accept many people. And their diet, we give them variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And they also have a powerful beak that it can drop a hard shell nuts. So we have a total of 370 species of parrots around the world, and macaws are the largest. Well, I guess you're going back home to get more food, so round of applause to our flying macaws. Now, our next bird is a very special, intelligent, and handsome bird, but I need your help to call our next bird. Can you say Jumbo?
Jumbo!
Louder, say Jumbo.
Jumbo!
Come on, buddy. So here's our another green-winged macaw named Jumbo. Now this time, buddy, I want you to wave at them. Can you wave at them? Wave at them. Hi. Can you wave back and say hi?
Hi!
Wave at them. So macaws have a very long tail and feathers. It can grow up to 3 feet from head to tail, with a tail that can reach up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful tail. Can you turn around? Nice one. So we can see most of their colors outside their body, some less colors than their 2 wings. Now I'm going to show you his wings. Can you say wings?
Wings!
Let's do it again. Say wings.
Wings!
Great. So macaws' feet are zygodactylos. That means they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backwards. And they also use their feet to hold up things and climb. Now, Mr. Ian, he has a ground nut and he will place it inside a plastic basket, and that's a reward for Jumbo. Now, let's see how Jumbo will get his reward. So he carefully lifts up the plastic basket and gets his reward. So we are using the reward system to reward the intelligence of our bird. And as what I've said earlier, that Jumbo is a very special, intelligent bird. You want to know why?
Why?
Why? Well, it's because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. So we're prepared to test for Jumbo. First, we will be having the spelling test. So I have here 5 animal pictures: the camel, the snake, the horse, the tiger, and the zebra. And I want you to choose between these 5. So please choose.
Zebra!
Louder.
Zebra!
Zebra. Tiger. Or tiger.
Zebra!
Tiger. Okay, let's have tiger and Miss Rachel. Well, Mr. Chris is preparing for the Jumbo letters. Let's have a short interview with Mr. Ian. So, Mr. Ian, how are you today?
Fine.
Now, Mr. Ian, what is Jumbo's favorite food?
Variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables.
So, Jumbo's favorite food is variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And we are all set. So, Jumbo, look at the picture carefully. It's a tiger. No, it's not a tiger. No, buddy. First letter, he picked up the letter T. Nice try. And for the second letter, he picked up the letter I. So, well, it's too easy. Let's try to make it more difficult. After this, we will be having the mathematical test. Now, this time, I want you to choose two numbers between 1 to 10. This side, please, numbers between 1 to 10.
5! 5!
Okay, let's have 8. And this side, between 1 to 10, but higher than 5.
12!
7, 8, and 7.
Naku, kabalo na
Okay.
bukas.
Let me ask you a question. What is 8 plus 7, Choco? Secret? Yeah, let's do the secret. Now, Mr. Ayan, where did Choco go to school?
University of Cebu Safari.
So, Choco studied at University of Cebu Safari. And where did the original came from?
South America.
But he loves to stay here in the Philippines, right? Okay. So, this time it's an addition. 8 plus 7. What's your answer, buddy? Come on. First number, he picked up the number 1. And for the last number, last one, come on, come on. He picked up the number 5. So 8 plus 7 is equals to 15. Is it correct? So round of applause for our great volunteer. So an adult volunteer. And we have here 𝗜ጵ𝗰𝗱𝗀𝗂𝗏𝗶𝗍𝗔 and Michel, so they will choose our volunteer. Please stay and face to the stage.
The birthday girl. Yeah, birthday girl. Go, go, birthday girl!
Okay. And don't do extra movements and just relax. Are you ready, Mom? Okay, are you ready? Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our cute and fluffy set with your name, Bunny. Come on out, Bunny. Hi, come on.
Wow, so cute!
Good bird. The sandpipers have golden plumage from their head down its underparts and green wings. And a young sandpipper appears more olive green in color. So during diet, they love to eat variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And they are very playful and said to be cloud-like. So they spend most of their time in their nest playing. So sandpipers, they are also called sand parrots in South America. Just take your time, buddy. Good bird. So now take your seat, ma'am. Thank you. And another volunteer who will stand up at the bridge. Yes, can you please face to the crowd and hold the hat. Again, don't do extra movement and just relax. Are you ready, ma'am? Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our group of sandpipers, our couple bird named Ding and Dong. So sandpipers are monogamous type of bird. That means they only have one partner for a lifetime. So when their partner dies, that's the only time they will find for another mating partner. Sana all. And they can live up to 25 years in the wild, while in captivity, they can live up to 35 years. Thank you so much, ma'am. And for the last volunteer, I need someone with a peso bill.
Peso coin.
Good afternoon, please come forward. And we ask, what's your name?
Gerald.
Okay, now Mr. Gerald, can you show your money to them? Backward. Yes, show your money to them. So Mr. Gerald has 1,000 pesos. Okay, now sir, I want you to fold your money into half 3 times. 1, 2, and 3, same direction. And stretch your arms, hold your money like this. And again, don't do extra movement and just relax. Are you ready? Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our another cute and fluffy set. Can your name? Sunny. No, not Sunny. So Sunny, build their nest. Now Sunny will pick up his money. So he flies to Mr. Gerald and pick his money up. Good bird, and give it to me, Ayan. Okay, so bye Sunny and bye 1,000. Now take your seat. Or you want to say something? Sure, Mr. Amamanto? Okay. Thank you. Yes, you can now take your seat. Or you want your money back? Okay, let's try if Sunny will return your money. $1, not 1,000. Okay. Now this time, open palm, stretch your arms, and when Sunny returns your money, just drop the money and that's Sunny, okay? Okay, now Sunny, please return her money. I know you love seats more than the money. Hey, buddy, return the money. You didn't bring the money. You have to go back to Kuya Ayan and get the money. Come on. Hey, Sunny. Hey, buddy. Now, I won't let him get the sir. Get the money first. Okay, good bird. Get the money and give it to him. Put his money back. Thank you so much. Eh? You wanna stay with him? Or you wanna go back home? Okay, a round of applause for Sunny. Your name? Sunny. Thank you so much. Sorry, I'm not take your seat.
Good job, baby. Good job.
And from the jungle of South America, let's wander the rainforest of Brazil, because we have here our yellow-crowned Amazon parrots together with our mentor, Miss Janice. So yellow-crowned Amazon parrots is the most commonly kept Amazon due to its stunning ability and playfulness.
Yes, that's right. And maybe it's to come out with what they hear every day. Now everyone, this is Lani and this is Rocky. Now can you say hi?
Hi! Hello!
Hello. Again, say hi louder please.
Hi!
Hello. Well, aside from that, Lani and Rudy can mimic the different sounds of the animal, just like a rooster, a cat, and a dog. And they can also mimic a telephone ring. Now this is the rooster question. Rudy, what is the sound of the rooster? Again, what is the sound of the rooster? What about cat? Again, cat. How about dog, Rudy? Can you bark? Again. Well, how about telephone ring? Again, telephone ring. Wow. And I have a question. What will you do when you see a pretty girl?
Oh.
What will you do when you see a pretty girl?
So Miss Janice, I heard they have a hidden talent.
Yes, they love to sing. Do you want to hear them sing?
Yes!
Yes, but before they sing, they need to have a warm-up first. So Miss Anne, let's do the warm-up. Ready? La 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 la. Ah, okay, come on. La 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 la. Well, I guess they're ready to sing, so let's do the first song. Oh, yeah. I love you more than I can. Sing with us. Oh, yeah. I love you more than I can. Say wow. Well, let's do the second song, but before that, let's first. Who's celebrating their birthdays today? Or within this month?
Are they celebrants? Yes, please raise your hand. Happy birthday! Hi, and listen carefully because Lani and Rudy will sing a happy birthday song. No, one more, come on. Sing your birthday. Sing your birthday. Okay, so happy birthday! A round of applause to our baby new birds named Lani and Rudy. Hi guys!
Thank you so much, everyone.
Yes, so happy birthday! Happy birthday! Okay. And from Brazil, they are from Brazil, so let's fly to India because we have here our most romantic couple, our Indian blue people named Prince and Princess. Come on out, buddies! And okay.
Whoa!
And can you bird. Now, Prince, I want you to open your tail and show it to the crowd. Prince, open your tail. Hey, buddy. So, peafowl is the collective terms of this bird. So, this one with the tail, this is the male one called peacock, and this one is the female called peahen. And when they produce baby, it's called pea-chick. Now, Prince, can you open your tail and show it to the crowd? Hey, buddy. Open your tail. Okay. Hey, open your tail. So there are 4 types of peafowl: the blue, the violet, the white, and the green. And what we have is the Indian blue peafowl. Can you? Okay, good bird. And
Face the
one more
crowd!
request. Can you face to the crowd and show them your tail? Okay, one more step. One more step, buddy. Now, when they open their tail, that means they are attracting the female. So, it's their way to court the female for their mating season. One more step, buddy. One more step.
Don't move your head.
Okay. Good bird.
Wow!
And for their diet, we gave them breads, pellets, grains, and sometimes small insects. No! Face to them. Okay.
Wow, I like the back.
Face to the crowd, Prince. No, me. Face to them. Okay, one more step. So peafowl, they can live up to 12 to 15 years, both in the wild and in captivity. Okay, good bird. Well, I guess it's time to go home. Alright, Prince. You need to go home now. Close your tail.
Oh.
Okay, close your tail. And we need the help of Miss Rachel to close his tail. Okay, close your tail and you need to go home. Okay, thank you so much. Good bird. Okay.
Isa ganahan diri lang
Okay, time to go home. Okay, get in. Also, your princess. Get in. Okay. Our round of applause for peafowl, prince and princess. Okay, so you already witnessed the extraordinary skills and talents of our cute and fluffy birds. Now it's time to meet some raptors, our birds of prey. Now our birds of prey is going to showcase an extraordinary hunting skills and flight styles. Now our first bird of prey is a diurnal bird of prey. Now diurnal meaning they do their hunting at daytime. And with that we need a lure handled by Mr. J. Now the lure serves as a real food or a real prey because our bird is going to showcase how good he is at catching his food. Now ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes alert to our Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. Now he tries to attack his lure and let it up there. Now Philippine hawk eagle is under the red list of IUCN as endangered species threatened by habitat loss. So their diet, we gave them small mammals, reptiles, and birds. And there you go, catch that word. Now we have here Mr. Ian. He has a real food or a real prey because our bird will not let go of the lure without an exchange. And as you observe, Mr. Ian is wearing a thick gloves for the protection of the sharp and large talons of our birds. So Philippine hawk eagle, they have a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. So a round of applause for Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. Okay, now from the diurnal bird of prey, let's move on to the nocturnal bird of prey. Now nocturnal, it's the opposite. They do their hunting at nighttime or they are more active during nighttime. Now ladies and gentlemen, relax and be silent because we have here the night creature of the Philippines, our Philippine eagle owl named Tattoo. Fly down, Tattoo. Good bird. So let's talk about owl. Now Philippine eagle owl is the largest owl in the Philippines. They have a large head and the bougie eyes, and their eyes are very good in total darkness. So they can see 10 times better than the human's eye. And their hearing is acute. They can hear a mouse being half a mile away. And when they fly almost silently due to a special feather structure that reduces turbulence. And here in the Philippines, they are locally known as 𝗥𝗲𝗺𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗃. Gonna go back now, how many? 1, 2, and 3. Are you gonna stay with me? Hey, Cacu. 1, 2, and... Okay, stay with me. Can I continue, Cacu? Anybody? Okay, let's just stay with me. Hey, it's time to go home. Okay, our round of applause for Philippine Eagle outing tattoo. Now, our next bird is also known as the 𝗥𝗲𝗺𝗃𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗃 bird of prey. And with that, I need the help of Miss Janice again. So, Miss Janice, where are you, Mom? She has a wooden platter. It has a real food or a real prey because our bird is going to showcase how good he is at snatching his food in flight. Now, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together towards snatching prey in flight. Our brown kite named Shadow. So he flies and he has snatched his food. Now, brown kite is also called as the red-backed sea eagle in Australia. They have a white plumage from their head down its underparts. And the rest of its color, what about Charlie? So the rest of its color is striking chestnut brown. Okay, good bird. So like that. So their diet, they love to eat carrion, small mammals, reptiles, and birds. And they are also one of the most playful type of the bird because when the wind is so good, they love to fly to soar or to glide. Okay. So when I go back now, how many? So here in the Philippines, they are locally known as Banlog in Bisaya and Lawin in Tagalog. It's time to go home. Okay, Shadow? Okay. He wants to stay with me again. So our ranking loss are brown kite named Shadow. Now from the medium-sized bird of prey, let's move on to one of the largest bird of prey. And with that, I need your cooperation. Please remain seated. Especially for my babies. Hi. Can you please sit down for a while? Yes, everyone should sit down. Okay, thank you so much. Okay. Please, sit down, Mom. Please sit down, remain seated. No one will stand up and don't try to reach out our bird. Now, we have our bird junior up there, Mr. Chris. Are you ready, sir? Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, for the grand finale, keep your heads up high to our white-bellied sea eagle named Marina.
Whoa!
So white-bellied sea eagle is also called as the king of the sea. They have a white plumage from their head down to its underparts, and their back and wings are dark gray in color. So they are also monogamous type of bird. That means they only have one partner for a lifetime. Please take your baby, sir. Excuse me. Please call once a bit answer. Please go sit down sa baby. Okay, thank you so much. Please go sit down lang nga. Okay, thank you so much. Slide up to the stage, Marina. Alright, our last class of white-bellied sea eagle named Marina. And until this moment, we have here our flying lorries all the way from Australia. So now lorries, so we have three types of lorries, the dusky lorries, the chatting lorries, and the red blue lorries. And to make it more memorable, we have here the symbol of love and peace. First part, we are hardly our group features. Now before we go to the end of the show, let me introduce you to the people behind the success of the show. Our partner on stage, Mr. I, together with Marina, our team leader, Miss Debbie, our bird assistant trainer, Mr. Chris, Mr. Irvin, Mr. Jay, Mr. Romnick, Miss Janice, Miss Rachel, our sound and victory, and last but not the least, our professional bird trainer, Mr. Ethan, all the way from Singapore. And yours truly, I am Anne. I really hope you enjoy the show. Thank you, everyone. And by the way, guys, if you are wondering why we are not wearing our mask while having our show, it's because our birds are not comfortable seeing us with something unusual, or we are wearing our mask or gloves. So while we are having our show, we really have to take off our mask.